Hello everybody, what's up? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to the Diva Log. I'm Shruti and here I make fashion, DIY and beauty related videos. So if this is something you like or if this is something you love to binge watch, then don't forget to hit on that red subscribe button and press the bell icon right next to it so every time I upload a video, you can catch on. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. My Instagram ID is @I'mShruz and link will be there in the description box below. And today I am here sharing with you a makeup tutorial using minimal products. I have created this look right here. You can see I am obsessing over it using minimal products. Like I have used only 6 to 7 products which are very basic, very affordable and we all have them. Actually, this is not very minimal makeup. This is the look ordinary people wear on a festival. I know that they don't have time to create that bomb eyeshadows, transitions, this and that. I know everyone don't have time for that. And necessarily everyone don't have products also because that's not their job. That's my job. As always, I have shared my some tips and tricks in this video. So without further ado, let's dive straight into the video and start with our makeup. And let me tell you which products I use to achieve this cute look. Here I am trying to put on some products. Like my try is to make this tutorial with minimum product. So I'm thinking कि मैं मेरा usual जो primer होता है Swiss Beauty ये वो use करूँ या फिर I should go for aloe vera gel. This confusion will last for 2 minutes and then I will start this tutorial. Okay, so मेरा decision हो गया है. I'm making this tutorial for beginners and especially for them who do makeup occasionally. I'm making this tutorial for them. So maybe they do not have glowy primers, this and that. So I think I should stick with aloe vera gel. So here I'm using Patanjali aloe vera gel. Just take it on your hand. Just rub it between your palms and apply it on your face. Make sure you have washed your face and did your skincare like whatever you do. Toner, moisturizer. Ignore my acne and acne marks the way I am ignoring. Give your primer 2 minutes to settle down. And now in between 2 minutes, I'm thinking what should I use next. Till our primer settles, let me first talk with you. If you have acne marks or acne going on like me, you will need at least medium coverage foundation or a concealer. But if you have clear skin, then you can go with any foundation, any concealer. And more than that, you can apply only compact powder also. But as you can see on my face, I need concealing, I need foundation, I need everything. So we are going to do basically everything, foundation, concealing and then compact. According to what your skin needs, definitely you can plus and minus the products. I'm skipping on my usual step 1 in which I apply concealer similar to my skin tone. I'm directly going to apply this NYB foundation, concealer and contour stick. It comes in a different variety of a shade, but I'm in the shade 05 Backstage Trial in a Porcelain. I'm applying this under my eyes too because as I said, this is a 3-in-1 product. ये concealing का भी काम करता है and this has a medium coverage. So basically I'm just merging my step 1 here. Now I'm taking a damn beauty blender and just blending the product. This is a cream product so it will take more time to blend than liquid products. But looking at its price point, this product is good as a concealer, foundation and contour. But twist is कि आपको सिर्फ आपका shade मिलना चाहिए इसमें. Don't forget to drag your concealer into your hairline, otherwise it will look like a mask. As you can see, मेरे अंडर आइज तो काफी हद तक कवर हो चुके हैं, but my acne marks are still visible. And if you are also facing the same problem like mine, now you have a 2 option कि आपने अभी जो प्रोडक्ट यूज किया, like अभी आपने जो फाउंडेशन यूज किया, उसका ही आप सेकंड कोट दो, so that you will get maximum coverage. And one more option कि you can go for highlighting concealer. If you don't have a highlighting concealer, give a second coat. If you have highlighting concealer, good to go with that. I'm using my favorite Swiss Beauty concealer. This is in the shade 02. And I'm just applying little bit under my eyes, little bit on my forehead and मेरे acne marks पे. I'm trying to get rid of acne marks, like I'm trying several products and मुझे थोड़ा सा फर्क दिख रहा है, but I will not make any statement now. जब मुझे पूरी गारंटी हो जाएगी तब I will make a video on it. Now I'm just blending the product. Swiss Beauty concealer is high on a coverage, so as you can see, in just one go, it covers my maximum acne marks. That's why I love Swiss Beauty concealer. Yay! I'm just spreading leftover product on my eyelids. Now I will apply a little bit of concealer on my nose, on my cupid's bow and on my chin. Forehead, nose, cupid's bow and chin are high points of our face, so I want to make them stand out. That's why I am highlighting them. Now my face is all concealed. It's time to set it all in a place. Here I am using compact powder. If you have loose powder, you can use that. If you don't have any powder, you can use Pond's powder or any talcum powder you have at your home. I personally use that several times. But for today, I am using NY Base compact powder in the shade 4 Zoe Silky Beige Look. क्या नाम होते हैं आजकल के प्रोडक्ट से. I am using same puff comes with the powder. Firstly, I am setting my under eyes because they crease, and my under eyes crease a lot. I don't know why they crease. Like my eyes are too deep, still they crease. Like I am setting my neck also because I am wearing kind of a deep neck. It's gone, all broke, and my heart is all over the place because I think compact powder मेरे नसीब में ही नहीं है. I have one more compact powder laying with me. As you can see, इसका भी सेम हाल हुआ था. I don't know if packaging is flimsy or I am the flimsy or okay, but let's just keep that part aside and focus on our makeup. I have set my face. Now we will move towards our eyes. As we are cutting down on the products, I am going to use lipstick as an eyeshadow, and for that I am using this Blue Heaven Powder Matte Lipstick in the shade Scarlet Kiss RM01. And I think lipstick as eyeshadow is the best thing you can do because see, I have multiple eyeshadow palettes because that's my job. That's what I do. But it's not mandatory to have eyeshadow palettes with everyone, and it's not necessary also. I have to shoot different variety of content. I have to shoot different looks because that's what my public want. If you are watching this video, I know you want something very minimal, something very affordable and with minimum products. But that's not case with everyone. Maybe some people want attack look, bang on eyeshadow, this, that. So for that, I need eyeshadow palette. But this is not necessarily case should be with you. I'm just taking the product on my fingers and applying it on my eyes. Like you have to place maximum product on your lid. And now with a clean finger, just blend out the edges. Like just diffuse the product in your crease. The way I am doing. And with a lipstick, I will suggest you to use the fingers. But if you have brush and you are comfortable with that, you can use that also. Okay, so as you can see, it just looks beautiful and obviously it's hustle free. And in the festive period, we hustle a lot. So I'm keeping your hustle minimum in the makeup. Now I'm using this Lakme Insta Liner. Liner तो यार आपके पास होना ही चाहिए. Like there is no excuse for liner. I'm just creating a small wing. If you don't get it how I applied eyeliner now, or in usual you don't know how to apply eyeliner, I will link down my video in the eye and the description box below. Make sure you check that out. Now I am using this Maybelline Super Curl Mascara. This is completely optional. If you have mascara, apply it. If you have mascara but you don't want to apply it, don't apply it. I'm just wiggling my mascara throughout my lashes. We are done with our eyes. Let's move towards our eyebrows. And to fill in my eyebrows, I am using this Blue Heaven Eyebrow Styler in the shade Dark Brown. And I am just filling in the gaps. And now using the spoolie, I am just spreading the product all over. I will quickly finish my this eye and I will be right back. I am back and we are done with our eyes. Let's move towards our face again. Okay, so for blush, I am using this Maybelline Lip Balm. This is in the shade Highline Wine. If you have brown lipstick, before applying compact powder, you can contour your face also using that. I have skipped contour for today because again, I want to keep this tutorial very minimal and with, very beginners friendly. So I'm just taking this lip balm and applying on my cheeks, like apple of my cheeks. I like to apply my brush from apple of my cheeks towards my hairline because that just lifts my space and that's what suits me. If you have slim face, apply eyeshadow on your apple of your cheeks only. And now I'm taking this powder puff and just pressing the product. That will help you if you are going outboard with your blush to keep that in a place, and it will just melt down with your cheeks, like as you can see. We are going towards our eyes again because I have completely forgotten to apply kajal. Here I am using NY Bay Apple of My Kohl kajal. I named it completely wrong. This is the big apple of my eye kohl. Kajal तो होता है यार सबके पास. I'm just making it thick towards end of my waterline. Now we are only left with our lipstick. I am using the same shade we have applied on our eyes, this Blue Heaven lipstick. You can use the same shade as your blush also, but I think 3-in-1 shade will not look good. I will suggest you to do any 2 steps with same shade and use a different shade for a 3rd step. And one more benefit of eyeliner, you can apply it as your bindi. And I'm feeling कि mid portion बहुत ज़्यादा clear दिख रहा है. So I'm just taking the same lip balm and applying a little bit on my nose. And as you can see, it instantly makes a difference. Now I will quickly do my hair and I will be right back. I'm back. I have just tied my hair in a ponytail and did a little bit of hairstyle. Paired it up with these cute little earrings and this watch. Nothing else more than that. And as you can see how simple yet aesthetic it is looking. Like I am in actually love with this look. This is the look I am going to do for my all of the Diwali festivals. Because this is very hustle free and this is only 5 minutes look. Like apply powder, concealer. There is nothing like tam jam, eyeshadow, ye wo, lashes. There is nothing to worry about. And each product I have used is very affordable. Kajal, eyeliner mainly तो सबके पास होता ही है, lipstick होती है. Besides of that, what I have used is only foundation and mascara. You know वो तो मतलब ले लो आप एक spare के लिए mascara रखो, एक spare के लिए foundation रखो, just to have that festive vibes going on. And festivals में makeup करना is very good thing to do. And I have given you too many of alternatives like ये नहीं तो आप ये कर सकते हो, ये नहीं तो आप ये कर सकते हो. So this look is easily customizable and easily achievable. I will not lie to you guys. I am looking in the mirror thousands of times and obsessing over this look. But अभी obsess करके कुछ फायदा भी नहीं है because it's 1 a.m. and I'm going to wash it off and going to sleep right now. So yeah guys, I think that's it for today. If you like the video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. And tell me in the comments, do you guys like this look or not? And which tutorials you would like to see in my upcoming videos. I will try to include that. We'll meet tomorrow in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care. Stay happy.